for afterthoughts, but.
To let you know, do not waste your time with a 64GB memory card. You will use that up in no time. Just go for anything 100 and above. If you can get 1 terabyte or higher, go for that. You want to download the Imaging Edge app, and this is how you will use it to connect your photos. To have the app be beneficial for you, you want to go to Menu to Network 1, turn off Airplane Mode, then you want to go to Smartphone Connect. Click on Connection, and then this will pop up. While you're setting up your camera, you will register it on this app, join your own network, and this is how you will start importing the videos and images from your camera onto your mobile phone. I am currently using my own iPad. And you'll click on Import in-camera images, and then it will take you to your camera to show you what you have on it, and you can select what you would like to add to your mobile device. With the remote shooting option, whatever mobile device you're using the app on, you can use that as you like, as your remote. So if you're taking group photos or you're making content by yourself, this would be a great option for you. And with that, you'll be able to have access to the same things you have on your camera, just via your phone, or in my case, via my iPad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my next video.